Wake up, A cup, get your tits sucked in my makeup.
Uh-oh, there we go. And then I'm gonna take some of this. This is some handmade guacamole. You feeling me? Wow. I'm gonna put that like right there. I'm gonna put that handmade guac right there. Let me post my camera so we can see what we working with right there. Wow. Alright, that's that handmade guac. My son likes guac, so. By the way, those are like Dorito taco chips, some red lettuce, taco cheese, and cilantro right there. Also got some, run it along the side like that. Shredded chicken cooking in the background. Whopper. Feel me? I'm gonna take some of this late July salsa. I'll take some of this and I'm just gonna whop. Give me whop. Take some of this chicken. Oh. And mix him up with that. Put that in the middle. It's hot. Give me a little bit of that juice right there. Give me, boom. It's gonna help melt that cheese a little bit more better. And then I'm coming. Then you just take some of this daisy, just a dollop will do. Wow. Wow. You know what I'm saying? A little dolly whopper do. Just for aesthetic qualities. I was gonna throw a little bit of that in there. That's how we gonna do it tonight. All right, that's round 2. This how my daughter like it. She don't like none of the sauce on there or nothing like that. Only thing she want on there is some of this sour cream. I don't even like sour cream, so I don't know where she got the little sour cream fetish from. What? But my daughter she like tomatoes, so All right, this is what the final outcome looks like.
This is the most delicious, whatever they're called, ribs I ever tasted.
Those are ribs, Ryder. Look, see, this how you know they good. You can just pick them up and they fall off the bone. Take a bite. Let me know what they taste like. Go ahead.
I like my food. And the fork.
It tastes just like the ribs that you bought yesterday.
Okay. The ones I made? So is that good or bad?
It's good.
Okay. All right, little mama.